Well, it's been a while since I've done an upload because there's been so many things happening that I've not had time to actually sit down and go through the videos and edit them and put them together. It's been a strange year. We've had a lot of sun and a lot of rain and not many sort of days when I haven't been able to come here, so I've prioritised that, and then there's been also work and personal stuff, so the video editing has taken a back seat and it's been the lowest priority. Obviously sorting out the allotment took priority over the actual editing, and I had to spend more time doing that than actually sitting down and editing. I have recorded a lot, so it's going to be, hopefully, now that things have started to take shape, I will be putting more videos out. But it's been a funny few months. When I first took the allotment over, people would come round as they were passing and they'd stop by and say hello and say, "Oh, have you taken that on?" And they'd start laughing. And they'd carry on laughing as they walked away, which was a bit demoralising. But I mean, it's still by no way finished, but I can see that I've made some progress, and over the next year or two things will take shape and I'll be able to sort of relax a bit more, because this year it's been very hectic. And keeping on top of the weeds has been an absolute nightmare. It's been like the fourth bridge. As soon as I've cleared the weeds from one end of the allotment, they're back up at the other end as though I'd never started. So it's been a bit of a nightmare getting that sorted, but I'm getting on top of that now, and I've got some beds. I won't show you anything now because I don't want to spoil the surprise, but things are going to progress. There should be more videos coming soon.